So how do you create a community on UBQT? So when you log in, you can jump into it from here, or you can also do it on the left-hand panel here. So I'm going to do that from here. And this is where you need to add all the key details about your community. So you'll probably want to add your logo and your community name. You'll also want to add a short description about what your community is, and this is what members will see when they go to join the community. Now, we recently just added the ability to add a theme color, and this is amazing if you want to give your page a little bit more branding. So I'm going to choose this green color here because that's in my branding. Now, you can select to make it a premium community, and that means that it will give all your members the AI features, so that's AI matchmaking and everything like that. And if that's included in your plan, you'll see it here. You can also, if you want to monetize your community, add paid membership plans. And all you need to do is add a membership. You can call it whatever you want. So I'm going to just add a basic membership, and you can add a description about what that includes. You can also add display content, and this is what your members will see on the joining membership page. I'll show you what that looks like after. But for now, I'm just going to say, you can also, if you want to, add a membership image. So if you have some kind of logo for that type of membership, you can add this here, but I'm just going to leave that blank for now. And then it's time to set a price. So I'm going to say it's $50 and it's valid for a year, but you can adjust this. You can also make it a free membership if you want to. And what's really cool is you can enable a discount. So I'm going to say sale offer, and it's a percentage amount, and it's 10% off, and it's valid forever. So I'll just keep that there and then just add that membership. And there it is. So you can add more memberships if you want to, but for now, I'm just going to keep this one. If you want to pre-approve your guests based on criteria and based on questions that they answer, you can also add questions. And there's tons of flexibility here. So I'm going to add a yes or no question asking if they've already purchased a ticket to the event. Have you already? And as you can see, we actually have some suggested questions, which you can select here, which makes it really easy and fast. So once I'm happy with everything here, I'll create my community. And as you can see, it's appeared on my list here. I can click to view it, which will give me this brief overview of everything included. And I can also edit it if I need to change any of the details later. Now I need members to join my community, of course. So to do this, I'm going to click these dots here, and then I have the option to copy share link. And if I click that, it generates this link for me. And this is the link that I'm going to use to share with my members. So I might send it to them on WhatsApp, on email, or on social media. And this is what that page looks like. So based on all the information that I added, it will generate a page for me. And as you can see, it's in my nice branded green color. And I have my description here about the community, everything that I added. I also, as you can see, have my membership plan, which I added with the price and everything included. As you can see, it displays really nicely. And obviously, if there are more membership plans, the user will have the option to choose between them. So if I go here, then it's my question that I added. And the user will be able to pay with card here. And if they're doing it on mobile, they'll be able to pay with Apple Pay as well, which is really easy. Jump back to my community view. If I want to view my members, I can do so in the community members list here. And in this view, I can filter based on the community. So I'm going to choose this one because it's actually got some members in there. And as you can see, it will show all the info about each member, what plan they're on, when they joined, whether they're an admin or a member, and some key details about them. I can also just view them if I want to see some more info, and remove them if I need to do so. There's lots of nice filters at the top here, so I can choose to filter by a name if I need to search for someone easily, by email, by membership type, by status. And if I need it for my reporting, I can export it as a CSV here. So that's the basics of creating a community on UBQT. It's half the story, as everything that I've done will be reflected in the app. I can also do a lot of the management that I've been doing here in the app directly. So I recommend downloading it and playing around with that too. It's really good for on the go if you need to make some changes. The app is also where all your members will see everything. They're not going to be using the dashboard, they're not going to have access. So everything that you add will be updated in the app for them to view too. So enjoy. So how do you create a community on UBQT? So when you log in, you can jump into it from here, or you can also do it on the left-hand panel here. So I'm going to do that from here. And this is where you need to add all the key details about your community. So you'll probably want to add your logo and your community name. You'll also want to add a short description about what your community is. And this is what members will see when they go to join the community. Now, we recently just added the ability to add a theme color, and this is amazing if you want to give your page a little bit more branding. So I'm going to choose this green color here because that's in my branding. Now, you can select to make it a premium community, and that means that it will give all your members the AI features, so that's AI matchmaking and everything like that. And if that's included in your plan, you'll see it here. You can also, if you want to monetize your community, add paid membership plans.